Hello children, today we will discuss the chapter The Keyboard. Children, suppose we want to write something in our notebook. Then we use pencil or a pen. Likewise, if we want to write something on a computer system, then we use keyboard. So keyboard has many keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers and symbols. A keyboard is the most important part of a computer system. It consists of a number of different sets of keys that help you to enter information into the computer. A standard computer keyboard has 104 keys. We can type numbers, words and characters by pressing these keys. The first 6 characters of a first row of alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Therefore, the keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY, QWERTY keyboard. Now, the next question that is in front of you, how many types of keys are present on a keyboard? There are 3 types of keys present on a keyboard. First one is alphabet keys, second one is number keys, third one is special keys. This is the diagram of keyboard in front of you. Now one by one we will discuss each types of keys. So first one is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, words and sentences. In English we have 26 alphabet. So alphabet keys are 26 in numbers. Alphabet keys have letters on them from A to Z. But they are not given in order. Make sure all the alphabets A to Z are not given in order. The alphabet keys are placed in such a manner so that a user can work fast. The diagram that is present in front of you is of alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are also known as letter keys. Second one is number keys. The number keys are used to type numbers. They are 10 in numbers, that is from 0 to 9. They are present above the alphabet keys and are given in order. Make it very clear, number keys are present in given order, but alphabet keys are not present in a proper sequence. Number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. To use this keypad, press numlock key once. The numlock indicator light will turn on. Now you can type the numbers. The above diagram is of numeric keypad that is available on the right side of the keyboard, and the second diagram is of number keys that is present above the alphabet keys. Next is special keys. Let us learn about some special keys which are commonly used, like backspace key, delete key, enter key, cursor control key, space bar key. These are the special keys. So first special key is we have space bar key. This is the space bar key. It is used to add blank spaces between letters, words or numbers. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Now understand the concept of spacebar key with the help of example. On the first computer, I typed the name Riya Bhatia without giving any space, or we can say without pressing spacebar key. So I type RIA BHATIA. But on the second computer, I type the name Riya Bhatia with the help of spacebar key. So I type RIA Riya, then press the spacebar key, then type BHATIA. So the second is the correct method for typing the name because it provides the blank space between first name and the last name. Next is enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. A keyboard has two enter keys. It comes in different shapes. These are the three different shapes of enter keys. Backspace key. The backspace key works like an eraser. Suppose you want to rough erase any character, then you can use backspace key. By pressing this key, you can erase the letters one by one left to the cursor. This is the diagram of backspace key. Delete key. The delete key also works like an eraser. By pressing this key, you can erase the letter one by one right to the cursor. There is one very common difference between delete key and backspace key. Backspace key erases the letter to the left side of the cursor, while the delete key erases the letter to the right side of the cursor. This is the diagram of delete key. Next one is caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type in capital letters. Press the caps lock key once. This will turn on the light of caps lock on the keyboard. Type the text, it will appear in capital. For example, I am in capital is written in the capital letters. This is the diagram of caps lock key. Shift key. The shift key is used to type the special symbols and punctuations mark present on the upper part of the keys. For example, hold down the shift key and press the number key 1. In place of 1, you will see exclamation mark on the monitor. While holding the shift key, when you will press the 1 number key, then it will type exclamation marks. It is also used to type alphabet in capital letters when the caps lock key is turned off. This is the diagram of shift key. Symbol keys. The symbol keys have special characters on them. They are typed with the help of shift keys because symbols are present on the above part of the number keys. They are located on the upper part of the number keys. I have already given you the example. When you will hold the shift key and press the 1, it will type exclamation marks rather than 1. Function keys. They are used to perform a specific task. They are present on the topmost row of the keyboard, labeled as F1, F2, F3, F4 to till F12. There are total 12 F function keys we have. These keys have different function for different programs. I have marked all the function keys with the help of red colored rectangle box. Total 12 function keys are present on the keyboard. Tab key. The tab key allows the cursor to jump 5 spaces forward. Make sure spacebar key 1 space gives 1 space at a time, while the tab key gives 5 space at a time. Arrow keys or cursor control keys. We have total 4 arrow keys. First is up arrow key, is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor left. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor down. This is the diagram of all 4 arrow keys. Navigation keys. On our keyboard, we have some navigation keys that provides motion navigation. First navigation key is home key. Home key moves the cursor to the beginning of a line. Second is end key. End key moves the cursor to the end of a line. Third one is control plus home key, means while holding control key, when you will press home key, it moves the cursor to the top of a document. Fourth one is control plus end key. While holding control key, when you will press end key, it moves the cursor to the bottom of a document. Page up key. Page up key moves the cursor or page up by 1 screen. Page down key moves the cursor or page down by 1 screen. Last is insert key, turns the insert mode on or off. When the insert mode is on, you can insert the text at the cursor position. When it is off, the text that you type places the existing characters. I hope, children, this chapter is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Please press the subscribe, like button and comment for any queries. Thank you so much.